Hi, and welcome back to another Ginger in Japan video. I'm just getting back from leave and I figured I'd do an unboxing. Like I said, I just got back from leave and I came back to a whole bunch of mail, so if you've never checked out Kleshguitars' channel, highly recommend it. I will leave a description down in the comments. The links to both his channels, the live and the outdoor channel, highly recommended. He's pretty cool, but this was on a silver stream, I believe, or maybe a gold stream. I can't. He does a silver stream and a gold stream, but there's a 40%er, 1967 half piece, pretty cool. And then an 1881 silver dollar. Very cool. Now, I did not get a guitar pick, but if you're a first-time donator or a first-time winner or anything like that, he'll give you the custom guitar pick. And it's the only way you can get him is on his YouTube channel, or if you happen to meet him in person, he signs the back. So it's pretty cool. I've been using it on my ukulele. So once again, if you haven't checked out Kleshguitars, I'll leave a link to his channels below. And till the next video.